Good morning. I am just getting myself organised and the boys organised to go on a nature walk this morning. I thought it'd be nice to just get out in some fresh air, just take in the really nice morning. We've had nothing but rain for the last week, I would say, and it's getting me down at this stage because I'm just sick of waking up every morning and it's just raining. I got a delivery this morning as well of the Kylie Skin Cosmetics. I ordered this from Look Fantastic and they only had like 2 shades left that I could have possibly matched. So I got the shade 3WN. I think everybody and their mother has tried this at this stage and I hear great things about it. And I needed a new skin tint. So I'm going to try this morning. That looks like an okay match. This is quite watery. I don't think the darker shade would have went well, so I'm glad that I got this one. What a great blind pick. If I went even a shade darker, it wouldn't match. Obviously we're coming into winter and I'm not wearing any tan, but I kind of have that like sickly look to my skin. This always happens. I think it's just the undertones of my skin. It just makes me look really ill in the winter time if I don't have something on my skin look like death warmed up, really, which I suppose is an accurate depiction of how I feel most days. The skin tint is gorgeous. I can see why people rave about it. It's just taking me so long to try because I can never get my shades. Like every time I go into Boots it's always sold out and I'm kind of sick of going in now asking for it. So I said I'd keep an eye on the website. I couldn't get a more perfect shade match if I tried. I'm very happy with that. I think I'm going to add a tiny bit of bronzer just to give a bit of definition to my skin. I will need a darker shade in the summer months because this is my natural skin colour and it just matches me. So I think a shade up, or maybe 2 shades up for the summer months when I'm a little bit more tanned will be perfect. Right, I'm going to finish off doing my face. Everything's sticking to my face today because I use that Weleda skin food and every time I use it, my hair, everything just sticks to me, but it is so nourishing and hydrating. I actually need to get more. I'm fresh out. This is like my 3rd one of these. I actually think this is a really great moisturizer and for the price as well. Anyway, I'm rambling. It starts to rain the second I get out of the house, but that's just typical. It's such a lovely day, like it's really autumn, autumnal weather, but then the rain is just ruining the whole thing, but I don't really care. So we're like sitting under a little bit of shelter while we're waiting for the shower to pass. I think it's only a sun shower, to be honest, because there was a rainbow out there a few minutes ago. The baby's drifted off to sleep, so he's content. He was given out for about half the walk around here, and Noah got a cookie. Happy out, eh? This is a really nice little swing. I just needed fresh air. Like even been out here, I'm just like, oh, it's so nice just to have fresh air and just be in nature and it not be like stuffed up in the house. Just the weekend. I'm just sick of the rain and I love this time of the year, don't get me wrong, it's my favorite time of the year, but the rain just ruins everything, and just waking up every day and it's grey and miserable, it just puts it in like bad form. So we said we'd get out. Right, I think the rain might be subsiding. What do you think? Will we head off again?
Yep.
Okay, that was a nice little pit stop.
Rain again.
It's probably gonna rain again, but I mean that's just Ireland for you.
Let's go.
Are we ready to go then?
Yep.
Let's make tracks. So
A clown.
is it another clown hanging out in the tree?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Oh, wait.
Oh, and a witch as well. Well spotted. I wouldn't have even seen her.
That's in the bus and that is in the bus. And here is creepy. Oh, creepy. Look at that. I can see stuff.
What do you see?
Look at that witch's hat.
Look at him on the tree and the big spider. There's a spider over there.
Even up there. That skeleton boy.
You want to go over to that skeleton boy?
Yep.
I think the fairy's house has been taken over by Halloween, hasn't it?
Yeah. Look at this wolf. Look at that wolf.
It's a wolf. There was a Halloween event on here at the weekend, but obviously it was so wet and miserable and we didn't come out because of that reason, because I didn't want to like get absolutely drenched in the skin. They've it all kitted out really well for Halloween. I think they're also having like a fireworks display tonight or tomorrow. What am I looking at?
That spider.
Oh my god, spiders everywhere. taken over the fairies' house. Halloween has taken over here, hasn't it? I love this time of the year.
Look at
Oh,
that,
so
Mummy.
pretty.
Look at that bat.
I see the bat. What a sunny afternoon. Noah and I are at Aldi. We're gonna go and pick up some sweets for the trick-or-treaters because I only got one tub in Tesco's. There was a very crap amount, and I hope I haven't left it too late to get like Halloween things. You don't think I've left it too late? So I have a little helper with me today, so we're gonna pick out a couple of bits and bobs for the trick-or-treaters. Now we generally get a ton of them, so I'm hoping that I have enough sweets to kind of cover ourselves, because I'm going to stay at home to give out the sweets, because normally I would go out with Noah, but obviously with having a 3-month-old it's not going to be the easiest thing. I'm not going to drag a little baby out in the freezing cold, even though we have like a really cute little pumpkin out for Firm that was Noah's, wasn't it? We're going to go get sweets right now because that is the plan, and hopefully we get a good haul. Aldi has been ransacked, so there's not a whole lot left, but I'm just gonna go and get other sweet bits. No, we'll get these ones here.
I didn't know they were done.
These ones, super mini mix. These ones. Get me 2 bags of them. Can I pop them in there? Little Halloween bucket, and I'm just gonna fill it up with literally so much junk. But what is Halloween about without junk? I couldn't get any Halloween themed sweets because they were just all gone. These are the only ones I could get, and then I did get a big bag of, these are the only ones that were left, and they were like the last ones, so I suppose we'll just have to do. Why are they warm? So there's our big load of sweets all ready for the trick-or-treaters on Friday, and I have this tub here just in case, because we actually filled one of these last year and ran out very early in the night, so I just got a backup. The amount of kids around this area is just enormous, so I'm hoping that I have enough for this year and we don't run out. I also picked up the Sweet Angel shower gel from Aldi. That's like the snow fairy from Lush, but now that I'm after getting it, I'm like, maybe I shouldn't be using that on my skin just with the fragrances and all. It smells identical to it as well, and they always have it in this time of the year, and sometimes you'd be able to get it in Lidl as well. They kind of have their own version, and I've also seen it in, where was the other place? Oh yeah, Boots have kind of like their own variation of it as well. But now that I'm thinking about it, maybe it's not the best thing to put on my skin, because I've literally been using Aveeno on my body as a body wash. Is it Aveeno? Yeah, I think it's Aveeno. It's like the most simplest body wash, or like a Dove body wash, something really like unfragranced, really just natural. Maybe after a while when his skin gets a bit better I can use that. Anyway, I'm going to head downstairs. I'm going to put a stew on, so I wanted to start it. It's like just 2 p.m. I need to start it early because I like a long stew. Like, I like my stew to be stewing for a long time, if that makes sense, because I just think it makes the meat really tender. And then we have to carve the pumpkin tonight because tomorrow's Thursday and then it's Halloween, so I want to have it done. I had a whole plan of making shortbread cookies as well today with Noah and like rolling the dough, but it's just that today was a bit busy. I will get around to doing that tomorrow. I feel like every day it's super busy, and no matter what I just can't catch up with myself, but we'll do that tomorrow. I'm going to change out of this. I just put this on because it was freezing outside and now the house is boiling, so I'm going to change into something a little bit more suitable. That's much better. I'm wearing this top that my sister got me. I think it's Victoria's Secret. I really like it. So let's get my big pot out and start making stew. I'm so excited for a stew, especially since it's like really cold out and it just is like the perfect stew weather. Oh, this should last about 2 days, which I'm excited about because I love stew nearly the next day more than I like it the day that I cook it. I'm talking really quiet, the baby's asleep and I just don't want to wake him. He's having a really tough time with his teeth as well. The poor little thing. I feel like he's been through the absolute wars at the moment between his skin and now his teeth, and it's just one of those things, I guess. The first year of a human's life is so hard. You're learning so much and you're just new to the world. Let's get cooking. Yummy stew all ready to go into the oven. Cannot wait to eat this later. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Noah and I are going to do our pumpkins. So we have the big one and then Noah has kind of a smaller one. So he's going to draw a face and I'm going to cut it out for him. Let me guide you. Stick it in there. Way, that's right. And now you use it like a little saw. Give you a little help. So to be careful of our fingers. Now, and then we go over here. And then do it again.
down over.
Mind your finger. We don't want to cut your finger off.
I want to get it off.
Okay, but you just have to be really careful.
Why?
So I'm just gonna. Why? Because look at the way it's sawing through the pumpkin.
Woo! You're doing it. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it.
Oh my god, I can't grip it.
Woo!
Hey!
Oh.
Cut all these bits off now. Cut them into the bag. So that's where it goes back in.
Don't lock it back in.
It won't get locked in because I have it out now. So there we go. That's the lid. Now we need to scoop all of the lovely insides out. And I have a spoon for us.
I want to do it. I have a spoon.
Okay.
Can I?
Have, yeah.
There's a lot of stuff going on here.
There's a lot of stuff coming out of here.
There's a lot of stuff.
And I'm getting more on the table than I am in the black bag. The whole of it is cleared out. That was a job and a half. And now Noah has to do the face. Right, so you draw your very good eye. That's a great eye. Great. So this is Noah's pumpkin. And we're gonna cut out his face. He's a happy looking fella. Noah said his pumpkin was too happy, so we had to make this type of face. I think his turned out great. I'm gonna go and design mine now. And I'm gonna cut it out later because I want to finish up dinner. Noah's pumpkin, and we're just gonna light him. Now he's lit. Oh my god, he looks so cool. And I'm gonna do my one later. There you go. Happy Halloween. Oh Noah, your pumpkin looks amazing. What do you think of him?
Yeah, scary.
He's scary. I think you did a great job.
I thought it was a kitty cat over there.
Finally finished our pumpkins, so I'm going to show you what they look like because they're pretty cool, not gonna lie. Very, very happy with the way they turned out, but one of them is slightly rotten, so I don't think we're going to get much longer out of them. Thankfully, Halloween is tomorrow. So this is what they look like. And I think this one I had to kind of cut around here because this bit was like completely and utterly rotten, so the mouth looks off, but I think it's good enough. And I love Noah's little one. Yeah, so that's the boys. There they are. Welcome back and happy Halloween. Noah and I made shortbread dough yesterday, so we're gonna make some Halloween cookies. I just put on a bit of makeup and I've just had some lunch, so it's kind of rubbed up.
Eyes on them and scary faces and icing on them.
Okay, that sounds cool. So we made the dough yesterday, so I'm going to roll it and cut it today. I'm very excited for these. Shortbread cookies. I love them. We make them every Halloween and every Christmas and they're just divine. Also trick-or-treating tonight. The weather has held up. It's kind of sunny, a little bit of patchy rain, so I sound like the weatherman now. If it holds off like this, they'll be able to go out and trick-or-treat, because last night there was a bit of a storm and I was like, oh no, they've been waiting. Like all the kids are just so excited to go trick-or-treating, waiting for weeks to do it. And then the rain comes. Last year was a complete washout as well. I also need to try and do like little bags for sweets for the door and get Noah's costume organised and his makeup, and then the baby into his costume. Oh, and look who's awake for your first Halloween. My first Halloween. So I have our dough. Cookies! And it's kind of softened out a bit. I had it in the fridge for the last day, well, less than a day, so it should make delicious cookies. And we need to roll this dough out, so just clean down the counter and sprinkle on some flour. Wash your hands. Should take my rings off.
Breaking it half. I'm really strong, that's why I can't break.
What have you done to my dough? Okay, stop eating the raw dough. We need to make this into...
I didn't know her. I didn't know what to say. I didn't say. I didn't say.
That might be a bit thick, I think. I think they need to be a bit thinner than that. Oh, good work.
Whoa, that's scary, really scary.
It's quite a thick cookie. We might try and make smaller ones, I think. So that should be thick enough. So off you go. Ooh.
Scary.
He's cool.
He's cool, he's scary.
Now we'll go put him on the paper. Here's our Halloween shortbread going in. They look great, Noah. Fair play to you.
But still more.
The owl got a bit crushed. But they all look so good. Ooh, these cookies smell delicious. And they turned out really well. Can you smell them? They smell nice. How many are you gonna eat? None. That's great. I'll eat them all, so.
One.
I think we're gonna have to put our pumpkin out as well. Well, we're obviously gonna put it out tonight. But it started to already decay. I think it's just because it was kind of a little bit rotten where I was cutting it anyway, but it's all growing like fur. We're listening to old Irish folklores about the jack-o'-lantern and the history behind it, weren't we, Noah?
Yeah.
And why we put them out. Then they were just talking about the Puka festival and then the harvest and Ihahauna and the Samhain festival, and Noah just was finding the whole history of Halloween very interesting. What did you get? Crisps already. He was fascinated by the fact that it's an old Irish festival. Well, it's a Celtic festival.
I want these.
The palm bears?
Yeah.
Did you eat your broccoli soup?
No, I want to.
No, you don't get any. Oh, no. Because it's his favourite. Oh God. That's brilliant. Now I have to clean all that up. Right, I need to get the Hoover. Come on. All cool. And I've just had one and they're so nice. I'm going to actually make a cup of tea and have a proper one. I just had like a little tiny one that Noah made. But they're actually delicious. Even if I do say so myself. Now we have them out here to guide the spirits. In the door with my baby bear. So I left Noah going around with his daddy and his nana. And I'm going to do the sweetie duties. But there's so much fireworks going on. There's so many kids out. The rain held off, so I'm so happy for all the little kids, because it's nothing worse than going around trick-or-treating in the wet and horrible, miserable night. I'm going to take the baby off me because we're boiling in this. And my zombie soldier's back with his sweeties. I'd say it's a trick-or-treater. The sweeties? Not one, Noah, give a few. Did you have a good Halloween trick-or-treating?
Yeah.
You did? What was your favourite part? These sweets? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, yummy. What do you want? Sweets? Your hands are freezing.
Yeah.
It was freezing out there.
Oh my God. We didn't wrap you up well enough.
Whoa. Whoa, I Oh. Oh. Boy. Oh, I never saw it.
What? We're having a story in bed now. I think we're going to read the Gruffalo tonight, but we had a great night trick-or-treating, didn't we, Noah? Right guys, I'll talk to you in my next vlog. I love you so much. Bye!
Bye.